Good morning, crafty friends. It's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on this morning with my first Valentine project share for 2020, and I'm super excited. I am in a one-on-one swap, which is hosted by Rose, who is Beauty Boss Planner here on YouTube, and she paired us up. It's a one-on-one swap, and my swap partner is Elaine, who is Scrapped and Craft Queen here on YouTube. So Elaine, if you want to be surprised, you might want to stop watching from now because I'm going to go ahead and go into my project share and things that I'm going to be sending you. So first off, this is not my entire swap. I still have to make a few more things. However, I just wanted to start this video because I've left the packages undone, most of them, and I want to start sealing up my packages, and I want to throw some glitter and sequins in the packaging, and so I figured I can't do that if I'm going to do the project share. But this project was a bit challenging because I went ahead and did a different type of style of crafting. I'm normally a clean and simple, like cute crafter, but I went ahead and tried to go with the shabby vintage style, and so it took me a while to create all these items. It's just because I'm just not used to coordinating this type of trim, embellishments, and colors, so I hope I did well. But I just want to share, this is my loaded bag, and what it is we were to make, or the loaded bag needs to have 10 items in it. It can be, I guess, store-bought or handmade. Store-bought meaning, like, for example, I have these bubble wands that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I took out the liquid and I dried it out, and I put some glitter, and then I put some sequins. So she has red and gold glitter, and then some iridescent sequins and some pink sequins. And then in here I put some glitter and sequins just to like dress up the package, and that's why, like I said, I want to start closing up my packages. So it can be something like this, she said, or stickers, handmade items, but she wanted 10 items. And so my 10 items actually do not fit in this loaded bag. So what I did was I went again to my Dollar Tree, and I found this really cute bag, and it's glittered here, and it says Happy Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to put everything in this bag. So this would kind of like be my loaded bag, so to speak, but this is my actual like embellished loaded bag. It's just a lot of things I made are kind of big and bulky, and they don't fit. So I'm not sure if I should turn this into a loaded bag, or I'm just going to put everything in here. But I just thought this was really cute. I like the glitter. So in here is most of the items. You can see below here I embellish. I use a lot of trim from Hobby Lobby, AliExpress. I use some pearl trim, this butterfly die that I just received, and this bow die, some beads here. It's 2-pocket. I really didn't do anything much to the back. I like the paper. I think the paper is really pretty, so I just kept it simple. And so I'm going to take this and I'm going to go one by one on what I created. So first, I made this wand, and I thought it turned out really cute. It's pretty simple. I mean, I could have probably embellished more with some lace and more trim, but I like how it looks. I think it's just really sweet and cute. And so what I did was I used a golden white striped straw that I got from Target. This is a die, a Sizzix die, the rosette. And then I just used some hearts that I had in my stash. This image here, I purchased some digital images off Etsy. I'll link the shop down below. She has some really nice vintage and retro type of images. So that's my wand, and I put a little heart in the back there to finish it off, which I thought turned out really cute. Then I went ahead and gave her some die cuts, which is something we could do as well. Well, these are not really die cuts, but these are like they're like ATC cards, and these are some images here. So I thought they were really cute, so I gave her some of these images. And again, to finish it off, I used a doily, a heart, 2 hearts, and then a ribbon bow. So I'm gonna dress this up some more before I close it. And like I just showed y'all, just these bubble wands here. I use this gold bow that I got from Walmart. This is from the Christmas clearance. So it was, I think, like 30 cents or something for like 6 of them. So I bought a lot of them in red and gold. Then this here, this is another digital that I purchased, and I cut out with my Scan and Cut along with this ticket. I just added a bow with some seam binding and a paper clip here, not a paper clip, but a clothespin here from my stash just to close this off. I'm going to embellish the bag a little more, but I wanted to stick, you know, some glitter and sequins in here. But what I did was I made some bag toppers. So let's see here. So I made these heart bag toppers, which I thought turned out really cute. And I'll show at the end the supplies that I use. But I went ahead, this is a Gina Marie arrow. And this bag topper is from my stash. I don't know what company it's from. And then this paper, again, is a digital paper that I purchased. It's all in the same pack that I bought. And so I made 2 of these. And then I made 2 bow bag toppers. I think this is from Alina Craft. And so again, this is digital paper that I use. And then I use some gold paper here, some glittery gold paper. And so she has 4 bag toppers. Let's put that back. So I had to buy a lot of things to do this style. I mean, I could have just went with the simple, well, not really simple, I should say traditional, you know, Valentine colors. But like I said, I did try to challenge myself this time. Here, I just made these yesterday, and these are my clothespins, which I really, really love. And I did not seal this yet because, again, I'm still gonna embellish. But the top here, I use a doily, one of those digital mason jars that I cut out, again with the clothespin. That's for the top. And these, I think, turned out really pretty. I had to wait. I started painting the clothespins. So if you can see, the clothespins are like a pearl pink. And I use Martha Stewart paint I got from Michael's. And then I painted these wooden hearts that I have, just like this, and I painted it with like this iridescent gold. And then I just went ahead and embellished. I used some flowers I had from my stash. This is a butterfly punch that I have. And again, these are the beads. And then I used some fun fur there, some pearls. I had a key here I had in my stash. So just kind of, and some stickers. So I just kind of just used different things that I could find. And I think they turned out really cute. And here I just used some twine with some pearls. And then I went ahead and this is how I'm going to give it to her. I have to make it stick better. I'm going to work on that, like I said, when I'm done. But these are really cute. I love them. So that's my other project. Then I made this here. And so this box I created, I just made this last night. I used some gold thread. Again, these are all digitals. This is a digital circle that came in one of my sets. So they look like this here. They're 2-inch circles. So I used that. Let's see. So these are not really shabby vintage, but I really wanted to make these. I purchased these at Target at the Bullseye, and they come in a set of, I think it's I have it right here. It's a card kit, 12 cards and 12 envelopes, and so they're $1. And so I thought this would be cute to embellish. And so I thought they were like actual card, but it's just a one piece. It's like you write your note on here. It doesn't open, which is fine. So I gave her a set of 4, and I used these foam stickers that I bought from Hobby Lobby last year. These other foam stickers in the back are from Dollar Tree, so I just kind of did a lot of layering. And I made them, see how like they're kind of, they're bulky. So I made like a 3x3 card holder last night, but it was not thick enough to hold them because they were so bulky. It actually broke apart. So I had to go find another tutorial, and this is from Patuto's Paper Craft, and I love her tutorials, and so I made this one really quick, and it fits in here. So that's something else I'm giving her. Next, I made these mason jars, and this is a rosette somebody made me. I just stuck it on there. Again, this paper is digital paper. So these mason jars are already put on here, but aren't these the cutest? So I made them all different, different embellishments. Some are like dimensional with foam squares. The flowers are dimensional. Here's some lace. I made a lace fan there. I laced the top. Excuse me. Butterflies. I love butterflies, and so I thought this turned out really pretty. The mason jars are from Tuesday Morning. It's a Crafter's Companion die. I think I pulled it. I tried to pull as many of the supplies that I use because, like, if you were to like look in the back, my craft room is a mess. It's a hot mess. So next I made this. Again, this is digital, so I made her these 2 envelopes here, and I put Velcro. And she can use these for whatever she wishes to, you know, to give to someone. And I also put some ephemera in here for her to dress up the envelopes. So I made her 2 of those. And then I made these bows. These are like flat bows, but they're really cute. I think I just recently got these bows. So I made her a set of 4 there. Again, that's my topper using some trim that I just received from AliExpress. And then I made these bows. These are the dimensional bows. And I just used different centers. Excuse me, my allergies this morning. So different centers. So I thought this turned out really cute. So I got her that, and then this is one of my gifts. It's a journal with a pen that has a, what do you call that? You know, like the stylus you can use for your phone or your iPad. So I dressed that up. I thought that was cute. I have a package here of chocolates I got from Target. It says, "Hey girl." It's Russell Stover milk chocolate. A bunch of dimensional stickers from my stash. There's like 6 of them in here, and so I hope she likes these. These are like my favorites. I have multiples, so I'm finally parting with a few of them. So I'm gonna give her that. I have this in here, which is a cute pair of socks, Valentine socks that I found at Michael's. And then I already wrapped this, but this is a trinket tray, you know, and it's really pretty. I think it says "Hello Gorgeous," and so this is how I wrapped that. And that's it for now. I still have and this here, I'm going to give her this magnetic list pad that I found at Target. So I'm going to give her that. And there's a few more things, like I said, but I have to go ahead and wrap them up. So I just wanted to come on really quick and show what I've made so far. So for the butterflies that I've used, like for here, is this set that I just had in my stash. And it's like a layering die, and there's all a bunch of flowers and butterfly layers. And so I don't know where I got that from, unfortunately. Sorry. Then this is like the flat bow die that I used. Again, I don't know where this is from. I use these small flat bows for some of the bag toppers. This is the jar I use. It was $6.49 from Tuesday morning. I bought a while ago. So I use that. And this is the bow topper that I use. And this is for the dimensional bow. This is the Gina Marie arrows that I use. And this is the heart bag topper that I use. So that is my project share, my first project share. I'm in another swap. It's another Valentine swap, different requirements. That one I'm just going to go with the traditional, you know, red, pink, and black Valentine colors because that's much easier for me, and I can go to town and just make a whole bunch of stuff. This I'm almost done. I have a few more things. Like I said, I'm going to add to the package. I'm not sure if it's going to be handmade, but I know it's going to be a lot of store-bought items. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be on again next weekend. I don't have time during the week to do videos, so my video times are like Friday, Saturday, and Sundays. Maybe a Wednesday or Thursday, but that's like few and far between. I'm not really on YouTube during the week, not even watching videos. I just don't have enough time. But I hope to see you all next week. Come back. I want to welcome all my new subscribers, and just stay tuned because I have a lot. What am I trying to say? I have a lot to go over. I am going to do another challenge giveaway soon, so just stay tuned for that information. I want to kind of get through all my swaps first before I go ahead and get into a challenge giveaway. So y'all have a great Sunday. Take care. Happy crafting, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.